Okay guys, today we're going to be showing you how to strip the armor plating or cover off of BX armored cable. This particular building is a new pole barn, and codes in this area do allow Romex for exposed wiring in pole barns like this, but I'm going to go the extra mile and use this armored BX cable. But there's a couple of techniques that you need to know about how to use this. First of all, you need to obtain, and these aren't real expensive, a special tool to allow you to strip the armor off of the cable, and I will demonstrate how to use that now. You'll notice there's a little wire cutter here, and then this clamps right onto the cable, and then you basically twist it like this, release it, and then pull off the armor cable. I'll demonstrate how to do that now. Now, you want to put at least 6 or 7 inches ahead of where you're stripping the cable off, because that wire will go inside the box. So anyway, it'll work like this. That's all you need, and then bingo. Isn't that slick? Now, there's a special technique for ensuring that the sharp edges of the armor plating or coating doesn't bite into your wire. So you use the appropriate size, what they call these things are bushings, insulating bushings, and they're sized according to the wire. This particular kind is for 14.4, 12.3, and that was supposed to be 12.2, I think, and so forth. So you slip it over the wire. You can take off the plastic insulation or the coating there. I'll cut it with a knife here in just a minute. So slip that over like that, and you slide it down inside of the plating. It can be a little tricky to do that, but you end up with it about like this.
So this is what it looks like here. Again, being able to slip through, and then it just goes right on top of that sharp edge there.
Special flex combination clamp connectors, and the bottom of it looks like this. Now that's different from the kind you use on Romex, another style connectors, which are very similar, but the bottom looks like this. And this is the kind you use on Romex if you don't have an in-box built-in connector. And anyway, you squeeze it in once you strip the Romex. But we'll be using this kind.
And we will have this linked in the description box below, as with some other tools we're using.
Now you'll notice there's this little red tab. Honestly, I have a difficulty getting it to feed in properly. But the idea behind that little red tab is that an inspector can look inside the box and see it poking out, theoretically, out of one of these 4 slits. So let's see if I can get it in there just for fun. Make sure you get it in the right way, of course, which is this way. You slip it in, and I don't care who you are, you always have trouble getting these, no matter how many times you've done this, and I've done a few of these. It's very difficult to actually get it to feed in properly. Electrically, it doesn't make any difference. It doesn't hurt the installation at all. It's just a matter for the inspector's convenience. Okay, I didn't have this opened up far enough, so it's fitting over that properly. So I'll open it up some more. Now we should get a little bit more. It didn't. You can actually see it sticking up inside here, and that's okay too. He can kind of see that from that position. And then what you do is you tighten up these screws that squeeze against the cable, and the insulating bushing prevents it from cutting this cable armor from cutting into the wires. Okay, that's it for now.
Let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch. We'll see you soon.